There is, when YouTube ads were introduced and when it caught that momentum, it was very exciting for us to work with Google, with YouTube ads, because there were so many options. You can manually go and choose placements. You can decide what kind of placements that you would want. You can choose the topics. You can map it with your audiences, blah, blah, blah. It was very, very exciting because we have not done anything like that before. Now, if you look at how Google is adding a lot of things, now you just need to look back and see what all happened in 2022 as far as YouTube ads are concerned. You will be amazed. There are so many things that Google did, and we don't even realize it because Google slides them subtly into these campaigns. One such setting happened when I was creating a campaign for the client. I don't want to talk about it, but I want to show what that is, which is, let's go to campaigns and you tell me how you feel. You watching videos on YouTube, and if you scroll down, you will see all related videos, right? 9 out of 10 times, these related videos really help us, right? Maybe to get more information, maybe to get an alternative version of the video, maybe to get some more additional context onto that video. So related videos are amazing. Now, how about having that for YouTube ads? Imagine your video ad is showing, and how about showing other videos from your own channel right below the ad? Don't you think that would make people consider you more? Let me explain. Imagine I am somebody who is launching a course on Google Analytics. I am, by the way. So imagine that this is a new course that I have launched, and GA4 Analytics course is launching. Now I'm running a YouTube ad. Now people search for Google Analytics tutorials on YouTube, and they see my ad right below the search bar on YouTube. When that happens, imagine showing 3 first sessions from the curriculum of my course right below the ad. Don't you think it'll be amazing? It'll add a lot of push to the user, right? I don't even have to wait for him to come to the website, look at my style of teaching, and then make a decision. If he's interested, he will click on the rest of the videos. He will land on my YouTube channel, and I've earned a subscriber, possibly, potentially, right? What that looks like in real time is this. Now, I've taken this image from the Google Help support, from the Google support itself. Now, this is my video ad that is running, and right below my ad, this is my ad. These are 3 related videos from my own channel, and they don't even have to be public. They can also be unlisted. It has to be either public or unlisted. And imagine you coming onto this. You saw my ad, you got interested. I have 3 more pieces of content at your service for you to go ahead and know more about my product or service. I found this brilliant, guys. So how do you get to that option, and where do you set that option is right here. So you need to remember, when you go to campaigns, click on a YouTube campaign, let's say new campaign. You can either choose this without a goal guidance, or you can choose brand awareness and reach. I also know that there is this option. So you can either choose product and brand consideration, or brand awareness and reach, or you can simply select a campaign with no goal guidance, select video, and then say continue. And while you are in the process of building your campaign, you will see an option called related videos, right? Had I not told you about this setting, you would have conveniently ignored. And that's something that I love about Google, because there is so much that you will find as and when you explore, and it's just brilliant, right? So related videos, and then you click on this. This is where you can add related videos. You can add up to 5, I believe. Yeah, you can add 2 to 5 videos related to your ad. You can just have to place the URLs, and they'll start getting listed here, so that when your ad shows to people, additional content from your own YouTube channel will start showing right below your ad, so that people can get more context, more content, can gain as much understanding about your product, so that they can make a decision easily. It'll help them, and more than that, it'll really help you to boost your visibility, brand awareness, sales, whatever you call it, right? That's about it. Thank you so much, and I hope and I push you to go ahead and explore this setting and get as much value as possible. Thank you so much. My name is Casey. Until next time, ciao.